going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today I have a little sound comparison of the S6 Earpod headsets compared to the Apple iPhone 6 Earpod headsets. So, here's how we're going to do it. I'm going to play a song. I'm going to plug it in. Whatever sounds higher to you is the more louder headset. Then after that, I'm going to personally place them in my ear, and I'm going to tell you which sound quality sounds better. So, I don't have any machines or anything. This is a simple sound test compared, so you could also hear it also. So, let's do it. So, I have a song that's playing on my iPhone. This will be the Apple test. So let's make sure the sound is all the way up. The headset. Let's hit play. Alright, so that's the Apple. So unplug that one. Let's get the S6. So I see one is to the side, so let's put one up. One like that. In case anybody thinks I'm cheating. But from the test that I've seen already, the S6 one is pretty louder. But I'm going to even have it even farther. So you see that is louder. So let's go. Even though I do have it hooked up to an Apple phone. Let's see. Alright. Okay, let's try to go to the Apple. So, you be the judge of that. Now, I'm going to place the Apple one inside my ear, behind the camera. We're going to see which sound quality sounds better. Alright, it's a lot of bass, very loud. Alright, this is super loud. And my eardrums are probably falling off now. Well, let's try the S6 ones, and I'll tell you which one sounds better to me. Everybody's opinion is different. That's why you gotta love YouTube. Alright, so let's rewind it back a little bit. Jesus Christ. It's definitely louder. I think the quality sounds better on the Apple. But the volume is definitely higher on the S6 headphones. Let's try that again. Okay, so the S6 headphones is definitely louder, but the Apple quality sounds better. So, this is my opinion. Follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this. Like and subscribe to the video. Subscribe to the channel. Peace.